terrestrial food production, systems, and choices. Compare and contrast the inputs, outputs, and system characteristics for two named food production systems. So we're going to be looking at some Australian rice farming and some Asian rice farming, which I'm sure you guys are pretty familiar with both of these. We actually went over them in class. So the Asian rice farming uses ducks and fish, and the Australian one is more commercial and industrial. So the inputs first of the Australian farming, obviously fertilizers, they use chemicals, and pesticides, they also use chemicals, so it can be kind of harmful. The water is irrigated in, which means they don't you gotta get it from somewhere else. The labor is from machines, so a lot more efficient. And rice seed is also obviously an input. Some of the outputs, rice, obviously, soil erosion, toxic emissions, and other pollutants. Some of the system characteristics: low diversity, it's not sustainable, and it also introduces some non-natives that come with like the rice seeds and stuff. And the purpose for it is all money. It's all about the economic wealth of the company. So then the rice fish farming or duck farming in Asia, basically the inputs is fish, ducks, and rice, right? But they kind of live off each other for the fertilizer and the pesticides. Like the fish and the ducks will eat all the bugs, and then they will fertilize the rice and help it grow. And then people and cattle do the labor. So, and ponds, obviously they use ponds and rice seed. Some of the outputs is fish, obviously, and ducks, and rice. So it's kind of like a 3-for-1 there. Excess waste also from those animals has to be dealt with, so the water doesn't get too bad. Some of the characteristics, it also has kind of low diversity. I mean, only 3 different things, right? Fish, ducks, and rice. But it's still better than Australia's commercial farming. It has more sustainability too, because they kind of rely on each other for the fertilizer and stuff. It's about money too, but also it'll feed the local population that's working there or something like that. And yeah, that is my presentation. Thank you. Well, kind of thank you. I mean, you're forced to watch it, but you know what I mean.